wish to lament Lord Blacatz in this light and easy strain, with a heart sad and grieving and good reason for my pain. For in him I have lost a lord and a friend of noble grain, and all valiant virtues in his death are lost and slain. So mortal is the loss that I have not a hope again, that it ever may recover, save by a strange design and play, that men draw out his heart and let the barons eat amain, who live without a heart, and then brave heart they shall attain. By force to conquer the Milanese indeed, for they hold him as conquered, disinherited he must bleed, despite his German followers as will and deed. And after him let the French king eat of it and feed, then he shall recover Castile that he loses through nothing heavy makes him speed. Of the English king I'm pleased, for his heart is small and cold, that he'd enough of the heart, then he'll be valiant and bold, and he shall regain the land where he lives of worth unrolled, that the king of France has taken, knowing him no warrior bold. And the Castilian king needs to eat for two, so I am told. For two kingdoms he holds, and in one he's not worth his weight in gold. But if he wants to eat, he must eat in secret fold. For if his mother knew, she'd beat him with a stick uncontrolled. Of the king of Aragon I wish he should eat of the heart, to free him from the shame that he takes in Marseille and Amilo, for he cannot be honored otherwise, whatever he say or decree. And next I wish that of the heart they give the Navarrese king his fee, who was worth more as count than king, as I hear folk agree. It's wrong when God makes a man rise to great prosperity, that lack of heart then makes him sink in worth's degree. The Count of Toulouse needs to eat well, I vow, if he remembers what he used to hold and what he holdeth now. For if with another heart he recovers not his loss somehow, I think he'll not recover it with the heart in him I trow. And the proven Count should eat, if he remember how a man who lives disinherited is worth but little anyhow. And though with all his might he may defend and struggle through, he needs to eat of the heart for the heavy burden he endures now. The barons will wish me ill for the good I speak and see, but let them know I prize them just as little as they prize me. Fairest star, if only with you I may find mercy's plea, whoever holds me not as friend does damage unto me.